This is Imran Pardesi sir, and today I will be continuing standard 9th math second chapter number 6 circle. In circle today we will see practice set 6.1 question number 4 and 5. Question number 6 is completely reduced from the syllabus for this year only. So please look at the board. Question number 4, question number 5. They are also related to question number 1, 2 and 3. So please pay attention. See, question number 4 of practice set 6.1 is radius of a circle with center O is 41 units. See, this is the circle, this is the center of the circle O, okay, and the radius of a circle is 41 units, okay. Length of a chord PQ, see the PQ is the chord, and the length of the chord PQ is 80 units. See, P to Q is 80 units. Find the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. We have to find the distance of the chord. It means O to this chord, distance of the chord from the center. It means OM. We have to find OM because that is the center of the, that is the distance between center and the chord PQ. Okay. So here first we will draw a rough figure circle. We will show center O. Okay, we will draw chord PQ which is of 80 units. We will draw perpendicular from center to chord which will divide the chord PQ into two equal parts because perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. It means this is PQ is 80 units, so it will divide into 40. Okay, so radius is 41. It means OQ is 41 and MQ is 40. It means we have to find this distance between center and the chord, that is OM. So this is a right angle triangle. Can you see this? It is a right angle triangle. So we will utilize here Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So please pay attention over here. So please pay attention over here now. What is given? Radius OQ. OQ is the radius 41 units given. Chord PQ 80 units given. Now chord is 80 units. So therefore we will say that MQ is half of PQ. MQ क्या है? PQ का half है. Why? Because perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. So we will write here MQ is equals to half of PQ. So MQ half as it is, multiply as it is, and PQ is how much? 80 units. So 80 ka half, MQ is equals to 40. It means this is 40, this is 41. We can find out this OM. Yes. So in triangle OMQ, angle M is equals to 90 degree. See, we will utilize this OMQ. OMQ, angle M is a 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, we will say hypotenuse OQ hypotenuse square is equals to side 1 OM square plus MQ square. OQ 41 square, OM as it is OM we have to find, MQ 40 square. So 41 square is how much? 41 will multiply to 41. Okay, how we have to find the square if you don't know? 41 multiply to 41. Answer will be 1681. Okay, OM as it is 40 square, 40 multiplied by 40. It is 1600. So this 1600 will come here, it will subtract 1681 minus 1600 will be 81 is equals to OM square. So that is we can write vice versa, OM square is equals to 81. 81 is the perfect square of 9. So we will take the square of this. Okay, so by taking square root, OM is equals to 9 units. So here OM will be 9 units. So that is only we have to find. Therefore the distance of the chord from the center of the circle is 9 units. I hope you understood how to solve this. Very much easy and very much interesting to solve this. I hope you understood. So my dear students, after question number 4, we will see question number 5. It is also exactly like that, but very much interesting. Please look at the board. Question number 5 in figure 6.9. This is the figure 6.9. Center of two circles is O. Can you see the two circles having concentric? Okay, it means two circles having same center, that is O. Okay, chord AB of bigger circle. Can you see bigger circle has AB bigger chord? Okay, and intersect the smaller circle. So AB intersect the smallest circle, that is at the point PQ. So PQ is the smaller chord, AB is the bigger chord. So show that AP, this AP is equals to BQ. Okay, so first of all you will draw two figures inside with the same center. Okay, that is O. Then we will draw AB, the bigger chord of a bigger circle, which will intersect the smaller circle at P and Q. We have to show AP is equals to BQ. Okay, so first of all you will do construction. You will draw perpendicular OM perpendicular on the chord AB also and on the chord PQ also. क्लियर? पहले हम ये OM which is perpendicular हम ड्रॉ करेंगे, कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे. ओके, सी हियर, ड्रॉ सेगमेंट OM perpendicular on chord AB which will be perpendicular on PQ also. Yes, so here can you see A dash M dash B? It means A M B are collinear points. A M B एक ही लाइन में है. Yes, they are collinear points. A M B are collinear points. Okay, so now therefore we can do the addition and subtraction as per the needed. Proof in the bigger circle. First we will talk about the bigger circle. Segment OM is perpendicular on chord AB. OM perpendicular है किस पर? AB पे. So that is construction. We have done that construction. Now therefore we will say AM is equals to BM. Okay, AM is equals to BM. Why? Because see that reason we have written over here together, because perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. Perpendicular center से draw किया गया जिसने chord AB को दो equal part में divide किया. Okay, that is AM is equals to BM. That is first. Now we will see the smaller circle. Okay, so again we will say segment OM is perpendicular on chord PQ. So therefore we will say PM is equals to QM. Why? Perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. OM ने PQ chord को भी दो equal parts में divide किया. So PM is equals to QM. See, PM is equals to QM. Second. So now from first and second we will write AM minus PM. AM बड़ा टुकड़ा minus PM बचेगा क्या? AP. Can you see here? AM minus PM is equals to BM minus MQ. बचेगा क्या? BQ. Clear? Again AM minus PM बचेगा AP. MQ या BM minus QM बचेगा BQ. So this is how we got the answer AP is equals to BQ from first and second. Because of A dash P dash M, these are the collinear points. A dash P dash M collinear points. M dash Q dash B, they are also collinear points. So this is how we will prove that AP is equals to BQ. This AP is equals to BQ. I hope you understood how to solve this. Very much easy. Question number 6 of this practice set 6.1 is completely reduced from the syllabus for this year only. I hope you understood. Thank you so much and best of luck.